Hey, welcome back. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Today we got some more unboxing. And I got another 3 packages on top of all the other stuff I got just a few days ago. I'm guessing these are my long screws again. Yep, these are my long screws. But they're shorter. They call them metal bars, but these are M3. And they're slightly shorter than the other ones I got for for when I do my server. And these are M3 squares too. They're like now it's like a shish kebab. So we got that. These might be more long screws. For some silly reason, it's cheaper to order them separately with the shipping being only $1 instead of ordering a bunch at one time, and then you order a second pack and all of a sudden shipping goes to $16 and you're just like, eh? That doesn't make sense. No, it does not, actually. One, two. Hey, I got a bonus one. No, that might do most of my work. And this one, hey, there's a bonus bag. Uh-huh. More of these, which are gonna be for this. Look at that. Wish I can get that more tight, but because of the circuit board, I really can't. And this one is car vacuum cleaner. Oh, hey, okay, it's USB-C. I got a little concernicus here because I don't remember ordering one that was just specifically for gimme my vacuum. Black attachment, USB-C, living in the future. Oh, this one's got only one filter. And then I found something out by accident. That's only there for that's a placeholder. So, since the USB-C port is up here and not wherever the other one is, I found out that these don't fit this because this goes in the back here. So that's your blower. So, I didn't think about that being in the back. This will go here, and then it locks in there. Then you throw your attachment in, but this has less attachments than the old one I got. But this one, of course, is for the wife, so she can have this one. And it'll probably come with the same user manual as the other one. 5 volt, 2 amp, 40 watts of energy. Oh, it's called car cleaners. Prompt: do not start when charging. Please fully charge and then use. This product can be used continuously for more than 15 minutes. You need to pause for 2 minutes before using it again to clean filter element in time, otherwise it will affect the suction. If the product boot cannot be used, please check whether the product has electricity. No electricity to use after charging. And that's it. That's it. Okay. This was a short video. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.